Welcome back to Cars Trends, your ultimate destination for everything automotive, from in-depth reviews to the latest in car tech and trends. If you're passionate about horsepower, design innovation, and the roar of an iconic engine, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2025 Lamborghini Huracán replacement, also referred to as the Lamborghini 634. It's a revolutionary chapter in Lamborghini's storied history, blending tradition with cutting-edge hybrid technology. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support keeps us on the road to bring you the latest car reviews. Now, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán replacement features a bold, all-new design that stays true to Lamborghini's DNA while incorporating futuristic elements. It's a marriage of aerodynamics and aggressive aesthetics. The car's sharp lines and pronounced contours are designed to maximize airflow and downforce. The front fascia now sports redesigned Y-shaped LED headlamps, a nod to Lamborghini's signature styling but with a modern twist. The massive air intakes not only look fierce but also serve functional purposes, keeping the twin-turbo V8 engine and hybrid system cool during high-performance drives. At the rear, the updated diffuser and a redesigned exhaust system underscore its racing pedigree. The rear wing has been optimized for better aerodynamic efficiency, and the taillights maintain the iconic Lamborghini aesthetic, integrating seamlessly into the angular design. The new lightweight alloy wheels with center-locking mechanisms enhance the overall sporty vibe, and multiple customization options, including carbon fiber bodywork, are available. For the adventurous drivers, the replacement model will also offer off-road-friendly trims inspired by the Huracan Storado, proving this supercar isn't just about track dominance, it's about versatility too. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for both luxury and performance. The cabin blends Italian craftsmanship with futuristic technology. Premium Alcantara leather and carbon fiber accents dominate the interior, offering a tactile, immersive driving experience. A new, fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster provides drivers with customizable displays, including performance metrics, navigation, and hybrid system status. The central touchscreen now supports Lamborghini's upgraded infotainment system, which integrates wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. For the first time, Lamborghini is introducing biometric seat adjustment technology, ensuring perfect ergonomics tailored to the driver. The seats themselves are lightweight but incredibly supportive, designed to keep you comfortable even during aggressive cornering. Additional touches like ambient lighting and an advanced audio system enhance the overall cabin experience, although with an exhaust node like this, who needs a stereo? Under the hood, Lamborghini has rewritten the rulebook. The 2025 Huracán replacement will feature a groundbreaking 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a state-of-the-art hybrid system. This hybrid setup includes 3 electric motors, offering additional power while maintaining Lamborghini's commitment to lightweight engineering. Combined, the powertrain delivers an astounding 740 horsepower and 730 Nm of torque. The hybrid system alone contributes 110 kilowatts, aiding acceleration and providing short bursts of pure electric driving. The flat-plane crankshaft and rev limit of up to 10,000 revolutions per minute ensure a spine-tingling, race-inspired soundtrack. Power is delivered via an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which Lamborghini has refined for lightning-fast shifts. With all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering, handling is sharper and more precise than ever before. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is expected to take just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 205 miles per hour. Lamborghini has packed this model with cutting-edge tech. The hybrid system allows for energy recovery during braking and adaptive performance modes that seamlessly balance the V8 engine and electric motors. The car features Lamborghini's latest predictive aerodynamics system, which adjusts active aero components in real time based on speed and road conditions. Additionally, the Huracán replacement introduces advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS), including lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, features previously uncommon in supercars. Lamborghini's connected car app enables remote diagnostics, performance tracking, and over-the-air updates. While utility may not be a supercar's primary focus, Lamborghini has made strides in making this vehicle more practical. The Huracán replacement offers improved cargo space compared to its predecessor, thanks to the compact hybrid system. Front and rear luggage compartments provide enough room for weekend getaways, and with its hybrid capability, this Lamborghini is just as suited to city commutes as it is to track days. The 2025 Huracan replacement competes head-to-head with Ferrari's 296 GTB and McLaren's Artura, both of which have adopted similar hybrid strategies. Lamborghini's offering, however, sets itself apart with a higher revving engine, bold styling, and a more visceral driving experience. Priced at around $300,000, the Huracan replacement targets enthusiasts who demand both performance and exclusivity. With its innovative hybrid tech and unmistakable Lamborghini charm, this model cements Lamborghini's place as a leader in the electrified supercar era. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan replacement isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a celebration of Lamborghini's heritage and a glimpse into the future of high-performance vehicles. Whether you're drawn by its jaw-dropping design, groundbreaking hybrid technology, or sheer performance, this car is a testament to Lamborghini's ability to innovate while staying true to its roots. If you love this deep dive into Lamborghini's newest creation, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and drop a comment below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Cars Trends for more detailed reviews, industry insights, and all things automotive. Stay tuned for more, and as always, drive safe and stay passionate about cars. See you in the next video.